Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, which is the 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is for Saturday mornings, bringing you the 5 off of 25. So, I did do 2 deals, but I'm just going to bring you this one deal because the second deal, everything is almost the same except for 2 items, okay? So, I might go ahead and do the video when I get home, so then I can show y'all the 2 items that I got different with this transaction, okay? So this transaction to me is on the low, okay? So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so the first thing is the Dove. All right, this Dove, people been having, I went into Dollar General and there is a couple of couponers that come in there when I'm in there in the morning. So I heard that they've been having some issues with the buy one, get one free. I don't know how, but I don't know if they're getting the wrong item or what. But I went ahead and purchased this Dove. This is the Purifying Detox, okay? And it's a 22 ounce. And all of these are digital coupons. If y'all hear any noises, y'all know I'm in my car, so excuse me. So I purchased this Dove, and the coupon says buy one Dove body wash, you get the Dove deodorant free, and it has to be a 2.6 ounce, okay? 2.6 ounce. So I got this one, this vanilla and cocoa butter, and then I got this Purifying Detox one, okay? And everything worked. And plus I had a $2 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. So I did have one manufacturer coupon. I'm sorry, y'all. I did have one. I forgot about that. And it was $2 off of 2. So that came off, okay? So the buy one, get one free is a Dollar General digital coupon, and you can use a manufacturer coupon with a Dollar General coupon. You can use that, okay? So then the next thing I did was the Colgate deal. If you spend $10 or more, you save $3. So I got the Max Fresh Colgate Choco. $2 came off. There's a $2 off digital coupon for this. Then on the toothbrush, try to find the toothbrush that is $3 and your total will come out a little lower. But they was all out of those. So I got this Colgate 360. And I believe this is $5. Either $4 or $5, I believe. Let me take a look for you. Hold on. The Colgate toothbrush. $4. Yeah. The Colgate toothbrush, this one is $4. Okay? This one is $4. This toothbrush is $4. And it did it did account for it. And then the next thing on the Colgate deal is the mouthwash. I got the mouthwash, which there it is right there, 33.8 ounce Colgate total. I got that, and there's a $2 off digital for that too. All right, then the next thing, I got the U by Kotex. I had a $4 off of 1 digital coupon, and these are $3.25. So I got a little overage on that. Let me double check. Yes. No, there was a $2. I'm sorry, the $2. There's the $4 if you have to buy 2. I mean, you have to buy 2 of them of the U by Kotex to get the $4 off. But I did have a $2 off of 1 digital coupon for this U by Kotex pads, okay? Then the next thing, okay, now these 2, let me move this over here. These 2 right here, these 2 Tides, okay? I'm going to put these together because there's the reason. Now, there is a Tide Digital that is dollar off of one Tide. And then there is a $2 off of one Tide coupon, digital coupon also. But the coupon is for the red Tide, okay? So what you're supposed to do is, and it's glitching for this one because it's not supposed to be for this one. It's supposed to be for the red Tide, okay, in the bottle or the bag for the pods, okay? You actually want to scan the Tide liquid first so that dollar will come off. Then scan the Tide pods second, okay? Always do that when things are glitching. When you have, if you clip, that's only if you clip the $1 off of Tide digital coupon. If you didn't clip it, then the $2, if you're getting both of these, the $2 is going to come off of this one, and then you're going to have to pay for this one. So if you want to get both of them, you want to clip both of the digital coupons, but have him or her scan the Tide liquid first and then the Tide pods second. If you want to do it back to back, that's fine, but I usually go ahead and let them scan the liquid first and then make some items go, and they'll scan them, and and then put the Tide pods in there, okay? So y'all, after all of this has rung up and all the digitals came off, all the instant savings, and y'all, on the instant savings, okay, it is 5 off of 25, but when you have instant savings, you want to go over $3. That's what I always do, go over $3. So when because the instant savings is going to come off first, then your 5 off of 25 will come on. So you want to make sure that when your instant savings come off, your subtotal is $25. Then all the rest of the things will come off. So you always want to do that if you're getting instant savings in your transaction for the 5 off of 25, okay? I hope y'all understand that. So y'all, for the grand finale, my subtotal is $6.15. Yes, $6.15. So let me show you. My receipt is kind of crazy. So let me show you my receipt. It's kind of crazy, y'all. All right, see, there you go. There's the Tide Simply Liquid. The dollar came off. Then you see the Colgate. There's 2 store discounts because the 5 off of 25, and then also the savings, the $3 savings coming off. Then there's the Kotex. Then there's the Dove, okay? The Dove also, the instant savings came off of that one because I had a buy one, get one free. And then also I had a $2. Let me show you. Where's my $2? Where is it? The $2 didn't come off? Oh, yeah. The $2 did come off. Okay. Where is it at? There it is. There it is right there. $2. Okay. I was going to say, wait a minute. But yeah, the $2 did come off also. So you'll see the 2 of the store discounts, which is the buy one, get one free. Then the 5 off of 25. And then there is the manufacturer coupon, which is $2 right there. Okay. Then there's my Tide Pods, and that came off, the $2. There's the Dove, and there is the deodorant, the $2.98 came off for that. And let me see, which, it should have came off, well, oh well. And then there's the Colgates, okay? So there's all the coupons. Subtotal, $6.15. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Look at my total savings, $26.25. Yes, $26.25. Then let's see if we're getting a 5 off of 25. Yes, on Saturday, July the 10th, 5 off of 25 paper. So, y'all, this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.